my name is Haley, and today we're going to create a color melt with my beautiful client here. We're going to start off using the MJ Hair Coloring Cream with keratin and protein. We're going to mix with a ratio 1 to 1.5. We're going to start off by using a 5-1 at her root, a 9-1 in her mids, and then a 901S, a high lift at her end. Okay, so I wet her hair down to create a barrier, and we're gonna create a melt today. So I'm gonna start with her roots, and I'm using 5-1 at her roots. So I'm gonna apply on her roots, go section by section. Finished her roots, so now we're going to use 9-1 just on her midsection. And lastly, we're going to finish off with using 901S, and we're going to finish off just putting it on her ends. Alright you guys, this is the final color using MJ Hair Coloring Cream with keratin and protein. She's a lot more even and has a rootier blonde look, and we made her a platinum blonde.